Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
And today we are going to understand how to create a subordinator and how to create a cost center for the hierarchy thing and how to create a new company in the Workday and how to give the organizations access to the new departments within your limits of your Workday. Hits in Techno Function. First, let's understand how to create a subordinator. Yes, to do this activity, we need to go to our software. Yes, let's continue. Yesterday, we created a supervisory organization in the name of. I'll take one of my supervisory organization called Venkat R. This is one of my students' ID. I'm just tapping onto my supervisor. Whenever I try to create a subordinator, I can only create a subordinator within my supervisor below limit zone. I'm going to tapping onto the actions on here. Under these actions, I'm going to reorganization. Under the reorganization, I have an option called create subordinate. Have a tap on this option. Create a subordinator. And I'm giving an effective date from today, of course. Where is your subordinator? It's going to be an attitude. I'm just mentioning today's date on here. Tap. You can see the create subordinator on below. You can have it the organization name, and including an organization ID name, organization code. Well, they're asking an organization name and code, not fill that. Do not get confusion. We are creating a subordinator. The subordinator is. We can able to enter the subordinator name and employee ID. Do not get confused yourself. Do not get overrated for this particular question. I'm going to enter my supervisory name on here, my subordinator name on here. It's Resh. And I'm going to enable these three blocks. Why I'm going to be able to enable these three blocks? In a sense, I would like to create my ID along with my name. This is my employee ID. Organization type. I'm going to sell it here. Company. And I'm going to enter my URL, I love you. And the location. I'm going to end here the locations. Hyderabad. I want to sell it there at my location, Hyderabad. Coming to this, I'm going to enter my clear and proper body of the email. And before I'm going to submitting this, do you people having any questions? Please put it across to me quickly. Anyone having? That's fine. I'm going to tapping on to submit. This is how we need to create a subordinator under the supervisor of Venkat. You people can able to see here the subordinated Mr. Suresh has been created successfully. And it's been appeared on here. Hope I made it clear to you people. Come to the main menu. This is how we need to create a supervisor and subordinate it to the organizations. And now we are going to understand how to create a cost center in the organization. Before we are going to create it, just go with the more labs to correct what is mean by. Create a cost center. What is your understanding about creating a cost center? Anyone will try. Suresh, can you go back to the page what you create? First you said, you took someone's Venkat supervisory organization. Subordinate you create with Suresh's name. Now Venkat is supervisory organization and Suresh is subordinate. Thank you. What is mean by cost center? How to create a cost center? I'm going to help you. Cost center, in the sense it's a hierarchy, is one of the third hierarchy included at Workday. And hierarchy of supervisory organization according the cost center related activities allocated with an organization codes of the unit which it is applies. What is a cost center in the sense? Cost center is an organization work package of financial responsibility levels in the significations within the organization. We are going to creating a cost center to maintain our finance sector in the organization. To create that option, we need to go to the software and the search bar. We need to enter create a cost center. Go to the search bar, enter create cost center. We will get create a cross cost center and create a cost center hierarchy. We need to go with them. Create a cost center task, have it up on this option. Select your organization. If your organization has been existed, you can directly enter. My organization has been existed. Cloud Foundation Softwares Private Limited. And I'm going to tapping on. I got an option create a cost center hierarchy. Now here, first I'm going to mentioning my cost center. Cost center is nothing but it's a financial department. I'm going to mentioning Cloud Foundation Cost Center. And coming to the code, I'm going to mention my department code, my Cloud Cost Center department, individual department code. I'm going to give in double to double 31. I'm tapping on include cost center code and name will be included in this. And subtype, we need to select the cost center body partly. Visibility again, we need to give the everyone. And URL, it's the same. Your website URL related word related activity. And coming to the company hierarchy of restriction, we need to go with our company hierarchy. That's fine. I'm going to enter yes. Whenever you people did not receive your organization details or data, if you are tapping on this option, it will show you too many results, has been refined such to narrow result. You can have entered blankly up here. As any two letters of your keyword. You will get off the complete details of your work. We need to select our organization name, the cloud department. I'm going to select Cloud Foundation Company Global Visors. Usually I need to select Cloud Foundation software privately. Since I don't have that option, I'm going to select the Cloud Foundation Company Global. People having a question may be, why can't we create those backup data? See, we are not going to create any backup data until we doesn't have the rights of access. The backup data has been created with link up with the Workplace Studio team. Whenever you did not getting those options, you take a screenshot and making your outlook was very clear what you did not getting in the system. And your backend team is going to be fixed within 2 to 4 hours of the particular issue. And coming to the next option would be the work taggages. What is mean by work taggages? Work taggages is nothing but this. We need to select our organization name and location related details of that. First, I'm going to select my organization name. There is no cloud. Still, I'm trying. Usually, I need to select Cloud Foundation Software private limits on here. But I'm not getting that option to select of this particular bloggers. I'm going to selecting the alternative one which any of the company name I can able to pick up just to show you people. Have a tap on to enable this blogger on the same. Come to the location. Select all locations. Location you can mention on here. It's ready. And post selecting your location, have a tap on to enable. And have a select of your supervisor, or you can able to select a particular individual branch manager. Details over here. I'm going to select my branch manager details is Mr. L. For the salesperson, we need to view our branch manager name or supervisor name or CEO name. Any of these three members we can able to view. Post completing this, come to the ascending roles. Ascending roles, the cost centers related to accounts, finance, whatever the departments we have related to the accounts and finance. We are going to add completely those related departments on here. I hope you people know about this continuity of structure. I will show you once again to people. How many departments you would like to add related to your payroll related activities departments? You can keep adding. You can directly enter payroll. There is no payroll department available in this particular block. I'll keep selecting the alternative tax. My finance manager of the organization has selected coming to the ascending roles. In this ascending roles, I'm going to enter my supervisory name on here. I'm selecting my supervisory organization, Thompson. Post selecting your supervisory access on here, you can directly tapping onto. Before I'm tapping onto, is you people having any questions? Please put it across to me one by one. Yes, Tejashri, go ahead. Yes, Tejashri, go ahead. Yes, ma'am, can you hear me now? Yes, I can hear you. My question is regarding the code. All the time you have been giving the code in a random sequence, that is 6-digit numericals, it seems. But could you please explain me clearly? You are choosing all the code in a random way. How come you're giving it manually? First point, Tejashri, you should understand one thing. Whenever you receive a request to create a call center, you will get the complete data from the reorganization tool till the assigning road with the last accounting department selection details. All the details you people will receive in the checklist of your draft. And remember the second point, one more. Whatever the data I'm going to select, these are all fictional data. Definitely, once you people step into your live organization, you people will find the experience how the live data will be available within your organization, what and all data they're going to use. Let's call it as an active checklist of data. And your team leader is going to provide you a checklist of emails and they're going to provide you data related activities. Just remember one thing, Tejashri, whenever he was planning to do some activity in Workday HCM techno-functional, you can blindly spot yourself the complete details of that particular task. That's going to be provided from the team home server who give in to end tasks to you. You don't need to worry about which data we need to put and what idea we need to select, what call center we need to select on here, which website we need to select on here. What are all these roles and what is this be assigned to what? And all rows we need to select everything which that particular person should be provided the data to. If they did not provide it, you check with your team leader or you can directly have access. You can call to the respective person whomsoever, the person who was given this task to you. You can call that direct to that person and tell him what is the related work tag edges and what is the samples. We did not give any data related to what exactly you are looking out of. Just put it across to that question. Take an email documented with him, and if he did not share till then, explain it to your team leader. He given it, requested for the creating a task center, but he did not give any data. Requested, need to be in fix as soon as possible to close the ticket of my bucket. That's it. Thank you. Clear now? Yes, sir, thank you. Go ahead. Any other questions, anyone? No, I think thank you. Have a tap too. I successfully created my call center within the limits of my workday. It's a techno-functional. Once the ticket has been submitted, do not think yourself. The ticket has been completed. Now the ticket is going to be and flow into the payroll department. The department is going to work there, assigning implementations and development related activities in the call center hierarchy. Am I clear? Yes, please go ahead. You said about everything comes from superior's work. How they send the work. Is it encoding or how do we have this in the email work? How they are assigned directly or encoding? Yes, coming to the point, they're not going to share you any coding related activities. Either they're going to share you in the LMS or they're going to share you through the sandbox. Sandboxes, it's a kind of drive. You will receive the complete data on here. You can export the file from here and download it. If they shared you through sandbox or through drive, you can explore from here. You can download it. And you can check what are all data points. You have it and what are all you need to see for that. Each and every task will be settled in your inbox only. It will not going to be your notifications or your drive. This is how you will get it. You can find the data you feel difficult, something like that. You can immediately call him the person who's ever given a task to you, fix the issues as per your understanding. Management of level. And second option would be to go to your drive. You will get the complete details on your drive. In the access of your folder, open up your data and you can find it, your details from there. Shut. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. And go to the next topic. We're going to creating a new company. Now how to create a new organization. As since we already created a new organization before we are going to start it. But still I'm going to show you once again. I'll just give a recap to you and how to assign as supervisors to the new organization also. I'm going to show you people. Moving workers between the organization means how to assign as supervisors to the new organization. I'm going to show you Before we are going to do this activity, I'm going to jump in that search bar. Enter here creating a new organization. Sorry, create a company. Tap on this task. Select your organization if it is already existing. Cloud Foundation Software Private Limited. Give the same name on here. Mention here Bang Mangura 582 is the branch code. Enable this including code and name. Subtag it's a company. Select has an everyone on here. URL you can directly select your Google body of Cloud Foundation. Company currency. You can go with all active currencies. Have a select of INR. And this all drives roles and responsible dispense. Whatever the departments you have, those are a list of departments that we already did on the starting instance. Just have a tap onto. We successfully created our organization. Come to the main menu. And now we need to check our organization has been created or not. Our organization has been successfully created. Cloud Foundation Informatics Technologies, you can select this one. Going to these three actions. To move on the workers between the organizations. We are going to do it now. That means once we created an organization, we need to give them a supervisory access to that particular organization. Go to the reorganization. First go to the actions. Under these actions, go to the reorganization. Have it app onto the SNANS supervisor. Superior SNANS superior. Nothing but the supervisor. Select automatic dates of today. Tap. And coming to here, you need to select your supervisory name on here. I'm selecting my Venkat ID on here. Either you can find through the employee ID or you can find through the name the existing supervisors. In the name of Venkat R. I'm selecting it here. Venkat R is my supervisor. I'm assigning to my Cloud Foundation Information Technology. And I'm going to give the body of the email of problem. What I did on the body of the email related to the assigning Venkat R supervisory to my new organization. Have it app onto the subject. We successfully assigned Mr. Venkat R to the new Organization Cloud Foundation Informatic Related Data. Process successfully completed. Below are the details has been if people can able to identify. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.